now I got you. Now you're gonna tell me if you murdered her, haven't you?
I don't know what you're talking about.
So you weren't with her the whole time?
No, I don't even know what you're talking about.
Okay then, I'll just be quiet then.
Okay.
Have you murdered her? Yes or no?
No, I didn't.
Okay then, so where were you at the night then before?
At home.
So you were at home all the time?
Yeah, so that's what I just said.
So you weren't with her or anything like that?
No, no idea.
Okay then, if you just say that, so you're not gonna say anything?
I'm not gonna say anything. It's no comment.
Okay, no comment. No comment. Okay. Okay. So have you murdered her?
I just said no.
Just say yes!
I think you got the wrong person.
So you got the wrong person! I got the wrong person, you're telling me. I'm a detective, I know everything! So now I'm gonna bring you to jail, because I need money!
That's fake. That's just fake from you. You just need money. Why don't you just do better research before you accuse someone for doing murder?
Well, say yes!
No.
Yes!
Oh, okay, then I did.
Okay, my case is solved then. Now you're gonna go to jail! Yes, I get money!